Turn an ordinary bag into a stunning, high-fashion masterpiece with tracker heat transfer vinyl. Select the iconic Prada or Gucci logo as your design and set it up on your computer. Load the slit tracker vinyl into your cutting machine and let it precisely carve out the intricate details of these luxurious logos. Carefully weed away the excess material to reveal the flawless design. Then position it perfectly on your bag. With the magic of heat, use an iron to press the logo firmly onto the fabric, ensuring a seamless bond. As you peel back the protective layer, watch now as your bag transforms into a sophisticated, personalized statement piece inspired by timeless luxury. For more details or assistance, feel free to contact us anytime. We're here to help bring your creative visions to life.